Deep within the high Alpine, winter holds the landscape in a silent, frozen grip. For months, a massive sheet of solid ice seals the lake below, locking away its secrets under meters of dense snow and frost. But as the seasons inevitably shift, the very first warm rays of spring sun strike the valley, initiating a quiet but powerful transformation. Deep fractures groan beneath the surface, radiating outwards in intricate spiderweb patterns as the structural integrity of the ice sheet begins to fail. Meltwater pools in striking turquoise hues, collecting in shallow basins across the white expanse. Slowly, the solid mass begins to surrender to the warmth, transforming the rigid landscape into a dynamic canvas of movement. The margins along the rocky shoreline are
As the warmth intensifies, the sheets fracture further, breaking into massive floating slabs that drift slowly across the deepening basin. Underwater, giant ice keels dissolve into the pristine depths, releasing ancient currents and gently settling suspended glacier sediment onto the rocky lake floor. The remaining ice blocks steadily shrink, transforming from monolithic structures into delicate, glittering shards that dissolve under the summer sun. What was once a vast, impenetrable frozen desert becomes a vibrant sanctuary of life. The glacial water clears completely, achieving a mirror-like perfection that reflects the majestic, towering peaks above. This spectacular cycle of renewal showcases the resilient beauty of our pristine natural world, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains these remote sanctuaries. To explore more of these breathtaking wilderness transformations and support our ongoing efforts to document our changing planet, simply subscribe to our channel and join our dedicated community of nature explorers today.